So recently I shared a truck bed liner from TripleAliners, which is what's in the back of my bed right now. And I do have another liner from them that I wanted to show today. This one is actually for the tailgate. Now you do want to make sure that you get the correct one because there are two different styles of tailgate. There's a standard one, and then I think there's like a work one. Maybe there's even a third one. I don't know 100%, but I did have to match up to mine. Now what you just want to do is just take a look at your tailgate, what the design is on there, and just make sure that you ordered the one that has that same design. Because like I said, there are two different ones. And just like the truck bed liner, this is going to need a little bit of sun. It's going to need a little bit of time to kind of flatten out. This one still needs to flatten out a little bit, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on here and just let it do its thing like I did with the liner. It is pretty cold here and we don't really get any sun right now. Today is probably the most sun that we've gotten in a couple of weeks. Now you will see that this one has these holes here, which is going to match up with the holes on your tailgate. So if we align this with our tailgate with those holes, and then we could screw them down or use the clips to keep them in place. I'm going to try and do that. Now I lost some of my clips and I started using screws for some of these, so I'm going to use screws for this as well and just see how well I can get this to hold in. But let's go ahead and install it and I'll give you a look at it once it's in. I love this Fantic screwdriver. I shared it one time before, but I have been using this for over a year. I actually have two of these. I put a lot of stuff together with these things. All right, so I feel like this kind of needs to stretch out a little bit here, but let's see. I was using these little clips, but I don't know if that's going to really work for this. Those I lost the little clip things for screws too. Now, I'm not sure if these are going to work. Actually, I think they are. That one will anyway. Now I'm going to have to order some different clips because this was not working right. Maybe I'll use some different screws and actually just screw them down in there, but at least I got it on there for now to give you a demonstration of it. And hopefully you didn't lose your clips and screws that go to your tailgate like I did. I lost mine several months ago. I don't even remember what the original ones looked like. I've just been piecing together different screws to hold it in place still. But I think I'll do a couple different screws like here at the top and just get it bolted down as well. And then I'll find some bigger screws to do over here since I don't have any clips that fit there, and the little bracket things for the clips have broken off, so it won't even work with screws like this one. Because I was able to get these screws to work, so at least that worked. All right, so I started this video a couple of weeks ago, and then I completely forgot to upload it and stuff until the company messaged me like, hey, you remember this? So I thought I would do a really quick update just to show how much it has flattened out, and I actually have been using it. You can see it's pretty darn dirty now. I did not change any of the bolts. I have not fixed any of that yet, but overall it's been working pretty well. It has flattened out quite a bit. It still has a couple little spots here and there, but I think if I get some more bolts that will definitely fix it because I haven't done that yet. But I just wanted to add in really quick how it looks after a couple of weeks of actual usage. But if you're looking for a tailgate cover, this one is from TripleAliners. It's the same company as the truck bed cover that I use. Overall, pretty good quality. They're pretty thick, pretty durable, and I have been actually putting it to work for the last couple weeks. Anyway, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.